Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here for YouTube, but here on TikTok as well. Limited edition Van Leeuwen Dill Pickle French ice cream. Let's try this. I don't know if this is going to taste any good, but let's just try this. Have to try this. It has a really gross, sour taste to it, but it's also good at the same time. It's like little chunks of pickles in here. Like, I like that ice cream texture. It's really smooth and really good, but the flavor is just sour and gross. You might be asking yourself, why are you doing this review? To do a review, because you never know. This could be good. And the ice cream is actually good, but the flavoring is just really sour and gross. This has a really good salty, sour taste to it. It's not an ice cream I would pick up every day, but it's not awful. I'm asking myself, why did they make this? But just like the Kraft mac and cheese ice cream that I had from Van Leeuwen, that they had like a month ago that I tried. This one is okay. It's actually not that bad. It's not the greatest ice cream ever. I wouldn't pick this up every day, but it has a really good salty taste to it, which makes it a pretty good flavor. It might be a strange flavor, but it's not that bad, to be honest. I would give this on a scale rating of 1 to 10, probably a 5 out of 10. So, peace.